I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to create an account on Gate.io, follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Visit the Gate.io website. Go to the official Gate.io website using your preferred web browser. Make sure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Sign Up. Once on the homepage, locate the Sign Up button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the registration form. Step 3. Fill out the registration form. Enter your email address and create a strong password. You may also need to agree to the terms of service. Make sure your password is unique and secure. Step 4. Verify your email. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Set up two-factor authentication. For added security, enable two-factor authentication 2FA in your account settings. This will require a code from your mobile device when logging in. Remember, always keep your login credentials safe and never share them with anyone. Enjoy trading on Gate.io.